How to block a merchant on Cash App. If you have a subscription or a uncooperative merchant that keeps automatically charging your Cash App card, trying to cancel through their customer support can be a massive headache. I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to block a business directly inside Cash App so they can never charge your card again. So if you want to do this natively, you must have at least one previous transaction with them in your account history. Open Cash App on your mobile device and look at the bottom right corner of the payment screen. Then you need to go to the Activity tab as shown on the screenshot, which looks like a small clock icon. Scroll down through your payment history to find the specific business you want to restrict. Once you locate a past charge from that merchant, tap it to expand the receipt layout. And now you can look at the summary details and click directly on the merchant's profile icon or business name to load their master platform profile. Then once you land on the business profile screen, scroll down and then tap the button that says block this person or just block. Confirm your selection. And you will blacklist that company from running any future charges against your physical or virtual card. So that's it. Enjoy. As you can see, very simply done. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe.